The beginning of Detroit Diesel. General Motors started Detroit Diesel in 1939 near the end of the Great Depression. Originally named the GM Diesel Division, Detroit Diesel Corporation has become an American success story by producing reliable and fuel-efficient heavy-duty trucks engines. Around the same time, GM opened their new diesel division. Hitler was invading Poland, September 1939, and Great Britain and France declared war on the Germans. World War II soon followed, and GM Diesel became an integral part of the war effort by supplying compact, lightweight two-cycle engines, called Series 71. These engines worked well to power landing craft tanks, road construction equipment, and electrical generators. By 1943, GM Diesel had a team of 4,300 employees who would produce almost 58,000 engines that year. After the war ended, GM Diesel began to focus on heavy-duty truck engines. They also set up a network of distributors across the world to reach more customers outside of GM and to provide better service. In 1953, Detroit Diesel introduced the Series 53 engine to the market and became an immediate success. The group of Series 53 engines had either 2, 3, or 4 inline cylinders. Customers used the 4-cylinder Series 53N engine to power logging tractors and construction equipment such as backhoes. The military adopted the 6 V53T engine for armored personnel carriers. GM elected to keep the old Series 71 engines in production, with the plan to add more cylinders for more power as demand dictated. Detroit Diesel, 1960s to 1980s. In 1965, GM Diesel became the Detroit Engine Division of GM. 5 years later, this division would be combined with the Allison Transmission Group to form the Detroit Allison Division. Despite a recession in the auto industry during the 1970s, Detroit Allison continued to grow and eventually gained 30% of the diesel engine market, despite stiff competition from other diesel manufacturers such as Cummins. A 4-cycle diesel engine, the Series 60, was developed in 1987. This product quickly became a market leader for Class 8 trucks because of its fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The next year, GM formed a joint venture with Roger Penske's company to create the Detroit Diesel Corporation. Under Penske's leadership, the company continued to increase revenue and market share. Unfortunately, a depressed economy in the early 90s, coupled with significant R&D expenditures, crimped the company's margins. However, business improved in 1993 and the company became publicly listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol DDC. In 2000, Daimler Chrysler acquired Detroit Diesel Corporation and incorporated it into a new division known as Daimler Chrysler Power Systems. By that point, the combined company had over 34,000 employees and almost $7 billion in revenue. 5 years later, Detroit Diesel Corporation invested $350 million to revamp its main manufacturing plant and launched the new DD engine platform in 2007. The Series 60 engine reached the 1 millionth unit mark in 2009. The following year, Detroit Diesel Corporation launched its BlueTech emissions technology with advanced NOx-reducing capabilities, as well as an engine lineup that included the DD13, DD15, and DD16. The DD15 diesel engine won the Technical Achievement Award from the Truck Writers of North America. If you want more real trucking news and stories that matter, as well as trucking tips and history, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay informed. Stay safe. Coffee up. Hammer down. We'll catch you another way, another day.